Hello, my name's Kat Sinclair. I am a professional face painter. I've been painting for 8 years. I'm going to show you some tips, tricks and techniques for doing your own face painting at home. I'm going to show you how to create your own designs for face painting. This is a design that I created for someone whose birthday was very special. She was 30 years old. She asked me to do a design based on a peacock and turn it into a butterfly. I started off by finding a picture of a real peacock, and this is the sketch I made from that. And then I drew a butterfly based on the peacock's colours, and I already know where to put the parts of the butterfly on the face. I start off with drawing the eye, and I know this bit is going to be on the nose with those coming up onto the forehead, and then that will go onto the lower cheek and that will be above the eye there. But I wasn't happy with that, so I drew another design to see how it would look as a full face. So again, those are the eyes and there's the nose, and then I drew the rest of the peacock around it, and I tried to make it more of a butterfly shape, but incorporating the eye of the feather of the peacock. And then my final design I used slightly different colours because the client had asked for a bit more of a purple and blue peacock, so I dropped the green out of it and added gold to make it a bit more special for her birthday. What I do when I'm designing is sometimes I only draw half the face because it's going to be symmetrical, and I can do the same thing on the other side when it comes to actually painting the face. So just when I start drawing a design, I start off with just a blank face. I just draw an egg shape and add eyes, nose and mouth, and then I get some pencils and I colour in the face and try and decide what I'm going to do. So I'm going to show you some pictures. These are all pictures that I've designed myself. This is what I show to children when I'm doing their faces, and they can look through this book and choose their own designs. And I don't need to cut out pictures from any other books because they're all in here. So they're all done exactly the same way. Just draw the basic face and then colour it in to show them what the design's going to look like. So here's some Halloween designs and some more boys designs and some animal designs and some more animals, and then some girls designs at the end. So these are all designs that I've come up with myself, and that's how to design faces for face painting.